well, it's that season, summer, and with that, the promise of some sunshine and showing off some skin. Beauty EQ's editor, Trudy Brewer, is here with all the trends and tips on how to get the faux glow. Morning, Trudy.
Don't you feel so much better with a tan?
Well, you really do,
You
but
do.
tans are not that healthy.
No, I mean a fake tan.
Exactly,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
not a
totally.
real one.
Self-tan.
So you've
Always.
got to figure out how to make it glow faux.
Yeah.
Oh, we should come up with a slogan for that.
Yeah.
So what is the trend for self-tanning this summer?
No surprises here, but natural and organic, and that's the movement with beauty. Rapid release colour, so it's fast, happens quickly, and no odour.
Yes, because
So no longer do we smell like roast pork. You
in
know
the
that
past, it's been a
smell?
pretty horrific chemical smell, hasn't it?
Yeah, well, it's the DHA that affects it reacts to the dead skin on you. A lot of people think self-tan's going to absorb into their bloodstream.
Yeah.
It's not. It actually works on the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin.
Great.
And it's a chemical reaction, and that's what you get that colour. And you know, when you're flying to Fiji in July and the plane and everyone smells like roast pork, like that self-tan. So those smelly tans have gone, which I'm really thrilled to hear about.
Yeah, I'm just going to notice roast pork on any plane I go on in the future from now on.
It's horrible smell.
So there's loads of different formulas though. There's mousses, there's sprays, there's lotions. I mean, how do you decide which is going to be the right one for you?
Yeah, and my best advice is to consider your tan, almost your tan personality, and be guided by that. By how confident you are. So if you're not confident at tanning, go for a gradual tanner. That's a moisturiser with a little bit of tan in it, and you can build up that colour slowly. The more confident you get, the more ambitious you can be with the product you choose, and you can go right through to a mousse, you know? So I think about your ability and your personality, really.
Yeah, the ability, because I have tried self-tanning in the past and I always end up with it looking streaky or sort of blotchy around my ankles and things. I mean, how do you not
Yeah, but are
get
you that lady that goes, oh, I'm wearing a strapless dress, I need a tan
Quick.
now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
pretty
exactly.
much.
So you've got to prep. You've got to prep your skin. The best tan you get is with clean, moisturised skin. So shave the night before, hydrate the night before, make sure you put a bit of extra moisturiser on those dry bits, like those, you know, the ankles, the elbows, you know, around the side of your hand, the neck, and then apply. It takes some time to do it properly, and use a tanning mitt. I keep telling people, always get a tanning mitt. Your hands are never going to give you a tan like a mitt.
Okay, so what about your face? Because people can get a bit nervous about putting that tan. You know, we have that vision of Donald Trump, don't we?
Oh, we do.
We don't want that.
We do, but today there's some really clever products, and I'm going to share one with you soon, a spray face tan. Again, I think just prep your skin, you know, make sure that you exfoliate first, put on a light moisturiser, wait a couple of hours for it to hydrate, and then actually just use a small amount of tan and build up. You know, don't use a whole lot all at once.
Okay.
Building up the colour is a secret to not only an even result, but an even fade.
Right.
Because as your tan fades, it can start looking
So don't go honey straight away, do it slowly. Let's have a talk about some of the products that you brought in.
I want to give Saint-Tropez a Beauty Award. They have got the best innovation in tan. They've got a Purity. Now, this is a face tanner, completely natural ingredients. You can spritz that on over makeup.
Really?
And tan your skin. Over makeup, use it alone. It's got a beautiful tropical smell. Tropical fragrance, green mandarin water in it to make it nice and hydrating. Fresh, no telltale signs. I've been using it. It's amazing.
I'm just going to do it on my hands so I can have a smell
You
of it.
can spritz it on your face too.
Oh,
it's
yum.
the finest mist.
Okay, that
now,
sounds
there's
like me.
also a gel that goes along with that in the Purity range. Really beautiful, easy to apply. That's great for somebody who's a little bit more confident, you know, moving up from the gradual tanner. They've also got a watermelon range, and literally does smell like watermelon. Again, the DHA is completely natural. It's from sugar beets. An everyday moisturising gradual tanner. This is brilliant for someone, like I said before, who's not confident with tanning. It's your moisturiser with your built-in tan.
Smell it. Was that? Oh, yum. It does smell like watermelons.
I know, it's gone. The other award I want to give, if you're really looking for something organic, tan organic, it's an oil. It's so easy to use, straight out of the shower, you build up the colour slowly. This is organic sugar beets extract, beautiful oil, goes on easily. It's just so lovely to use. And if you're concerned, pregnant, still wanting to use a tan, go organic.
Feels quite a nice dry oil too. It's not like a really greasy one.
It's really dry. It goes on beautifully like an oil evenly, but it dries. And then, Bondi Sands is a pretty sexy brand. They've got a new tan out, Aero Tan. There's two. There's a light medium for that not so confident tanner and the darker mousse. This one smells like coconut.
Ooh, hang on.
So,
Okay.
there is no, that's a mousse. So go on, screw it
Shall I?
out.
What am I- I'm going to have
Put it
one,
on the paper.
I'm going to have one amazing
Oh,
hand.
oh,
I'll do it on my hand, shall I?
Yep.
Hang on.
Yep.
Shake it. Oh.
Yep. And with the Aerotan, you can actually see where you've been, which is great, a tinted tanner. That's another good tip for someone who's not that confident.
Smells amazing, but maybe not for the hand
and
today.
finally, the tip of the week, once you've washed your mitt, make sure you dry it over the top of your bottle like that.
Awesome.
Still struggling with the tan.
I've got a really nicely tanned palm now, which is a good time for
Never
everyone.
work with children, animals or beauty products.
Hey Trudy, thanks so much.
Absolute pleasure.
Now for more from Trudy, you can head to her website beautyeq.co.nz.